Good morning, Bahlali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, we welcome you. We welcome you. If you have always been here, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, please just click on the subscribe button. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, guys, it's Sunday. It's Sunday morning, and I wanted my lashes so she did few guys. I wanna this thing look a hairline. But anyway, I'm listening to a song, Buy Me a Rose by Luther Van Ross. Remember, Sundays are for lovers, okay? I'm listening to a song by Luther Van Ross. It's called Buy Me a Rose. And then when he starts the song, he's saying he works so hard to give her everything that she wants. Ne? You see, this song is about you want to love a person with your own love language. Like you work so hard to give her everything that you think she wants, but then she doesn't want all of that. Just buy her a rose and see how happy she will be. Buy her a PS and see how happy she will be. That thing, it's the little things that counts. Okay? Yeah. But anyway, I want hiking shoes. It's so cold outside. It's so cold and I'm not really dressed. Like it's so cold. But anyway, I want hiking shoes, and yeah, we're gonna start taking the hiking more serious because yeah, I can running shoes, but I cannot chill it. I don't have mine. I cannot chill it. So let's go get the hiking shoes. Y'all know, guys, I can't function without this thing. I hope God delivers me from this, and I drink more water. But anyway, let's go. Let's get going. Show me you love me by the look in your eyes. to buy hiking shoes, but there was I'll show you guys what I got, but then I feel like when I'm going through things, I just show like I'm a shopaholic. I have a sickness. I will probably never be rich. I should not be saying this about myself, but the signs are there. You know, if I get money, it's gonna be problematic. I'm gonna be problematic. I just love shopping, but then this one is for a good cause. It's for definitely a good cause, because I'm gonna be outside a lot, hiking, taking care of my health. So I'll show you guys what I got. You guys remember that we went to the shop to get the hiking shoes? Yeah, like I said. But I got the hiking shoes. The hiking shoes I got them. Let me show you. You see, this is the package. Yeah, they are on sale. They have a sale. Going to Eone. I don't have money to buy this brands and that. They have a sale. So as you could see, I showed the purple one. The purple one is waterproof, and this one, it's water resistant. So the purple one was a bit expensive for me. So like I said, there's something that I don't have, but I feel like I should have just bought the waterproof one, because they are even lighter. But I'll check them on Shein. I know, like you guys know, and we're gonna talk about what I just said. Okay, yeah, but I got the shoes and I got the jean. Yeah, and I also passed by Levi's. I saw they had a 60%, but this jean was not on sale, unfortunately. But you guys know I don't wear jeans, ne? So this is one of my first, not first, but yeah, this is my first Levi jean. I don't have a Levi jean. So yeah, this is the jean, and it's tall girl friendly. Like it's tall girl friendly. I'll show you guys. So but yeah, I love the fit, how it fits me. This is the jean, and I'm a size 32. Like I'm so big, guys, yo. And one thing that I've realized is that my thighs are so big, but when it gets to my waist, it gets a little bit smaller. So that's where the problem is. And then I passed by Total Sport. I saw on Beige that they have a sale, and since I will be hiking, there was a sale called 2 for 3. You pay for 2 and you get 3 items. So I got this leggings, because I no longer have leggings, guys. Not a legging jacket. I had the Total Sports, I think, for like 3 to 4 years, and they are still sharp, ne? So I was like, it's good quality, so I will go. But these ones, I don't feel like they like a quality. I don't think they like a quality, but yeah, they are zamanya. So I got this ones. I got this color, and if I love something, I can get it as many times as I want to. You would think I can change their so I would usually buy 5 of the same color, but then I was like, let me mix with some color nyana. It's a gold woman. She did and get 250, ne? So 250 for one, and then Edily, yeah, 500 for 3. Yeah, you get. But I think it's not, because this is a roping game. One of 500, right? I just got robbed. I'm starting to realize what's I gain. Yeah, ne shop when I realize like right. But yeah, the medium is tight, and I'm just hoping that I'm going to lose weight, because the last time I bought a large, it was very big. Then I went and got a medium. The medium still fits me today, even though the large also still fits, but So yeah, that's what I got. And you know, having money problems and spending the last bit of it because of the mentality that money always comes back, it's definitely going to kill me. But anyway, that's it. And then I was wearing this dress. Like I better something on top because I'm wearing a bra. It's open at the back. This is actually my favorite dress, right? Yeah. How the mirror is reflecting the things. Yeah, but anyway, that's it, guys, from me. Thank you for spending the day with me. So I got everything from Brooklyn Mall. If you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what was your favorite thing about this vlog. And please, let's keep engaging on the comment section. Let's also like the video, right? Yeah, thank you.